Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video, and the reason is I've moved, and so I have been busy house hunting and packing and moving and unpacking and fixing, and so I haven't made, and it's winter, so in the Northeast we have had a lot of snow, so there's not been much writing time. I started the build series, but since we moved, I haven't done that except for disassembly. That video will come soon. But I just wanted to make a different type of video today. So the house I moved into has a snowblower. The previous owner left. I tried to get the old engine working, but it's missing some parts. The carburetor is dirty, and I couldn't get the carburetor off without cutting off the exhaust, and I don't have a welder. I bought a 301 cubic centimeter engine from Harbor Freight as a Predator, and I swapped it, and this video will be about the steps I took. So the snowblower, I'll show you guys. This is a Snapper 8260 snowblower, and it had this engine over here on it. I think it's a Briggs & Stratton. Not sure what horsepower. And there's no identification, so looks like the previous owner spray painted over this for some reason. Maybe this isn't even the original engine. I don't even know. But this is what it was. And now this is what's on there. You can see the 301. So pretty good. It's pretty good size. A little bit bigger than the previous engine. So it should throw some snow. That's all I gotta say. All right, let's get it powered on. So the first step was to remove the belts. Then I removed the pulleys. There were 4 mounting nuts. Then I removed the engine, and this is underneath. There was a plate on the bottom to get the belts off. Removed the belts. Placed the new engine. All right, here we go. We're about to do the first start. From the very first, believe it or not. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. First start of my generator. It's got gas in it. We got some 87 octane gas with the fuel stabilizer. We've got a 5W30 in there of oil, holds a quart. All right, so what we do is we take the choke, turn that to start. Fuel is on. Give this a couple of cranks slowly, just to get the fuel moving. All right, turn that on. Sure that's normal, so let's check that out. All right, so I took the cover off that was covering the belt. I think that might have been rubbing against the shaft and causing it to smoke, so I'm gonna have to figure out a different solution for that. But engine's running well. Just letting it warm up. It says give it about 5 minutes, so it's not turning the auger yet. And wait a few more minutes, couple more minutes, and then turn the auger on. All right. So I got the engine running. Did a quick test pass. Let's make sure everything's working. And this was unplowed before, but now, you know, you can see it's doing something here. It's still snowing, so I'm gonna wait until it's all done to plow everything, but so far seems to work okay. All right, that's it. Bye.